In this video, you're going to learn how to find ebooks using EBSCO's ebook database. First, what's the difference between ebooks and print books? Both basically have the same contents, but ebooks are of course online and print books are the physical copy of a book. So same content, but different formats. When doing research, generally speaking, content is much more important than format. So either an ebook or a physical copy of a book are both good options for when you're doing research.
To get to EBSCO eBooks from the library homepage, click on the button for eBooks. Then scroll down until you see EBSCO eBook and click on the link for EBSCO eBooks. If you're off campus, you have to log in with your one login. This is the same username and password you used to get into Canvas.
Now, let's search for a book. If you know the book title or the author's name, you can type the information in the search bar. For example, I am looking for the book The 1619 Project by Nicole Hannah-Jones. Now let us click the title of the ebook. Now you are inside the ebook record. This book record page gives you everything you need in one place. First, you will see two ways to access the book. Access now, that means you can read online. It will open the book in your browser, no extra software needed. The other button, download, it will let you save the book to your device. Scroll down and you can see the record will clearly show whether you can download the full ebook or individual chapters. It also tells you which software you need for download and reading the ebook. Typically, a free EBSCO account and a reader app such as Adobe Digital Editions would be used for reading the ebook offline. Next, scroll for more helpful details. You can see the subject related to the book and the authors. You can click any subject link to browse other books on the same topic, or click the author's name to see more books by the same author. Now look to the tool area. The label button, click this to save the item during your current session. Important note, if you close the browser or end the session, these saved items won't persist. To go back to your saved item, click the Saved button on the left side of the menu. To keep a copy, you can click Share and select Email. You can email the record to any of the email address. You do not need to use your school email. There's also a Cite button that formats citation in different style. Remember, it's just a good starting point and you are responsible for checking the accuracy. Always review and correct as needed. Besides searching the ebook by title or the author's name, you can also search for books about certain topics by typing the keywords, which means a few essential words or phrases necessary to describe your topic. For example, you want to learn more about how artificial intelligence will change higher education. So you type artificial intelligence and higher education and see a list of related ebooks. Each result shows the title, author, and publication details. Like before, click the book title for more information, or you can read online by click the Access Now. EBSCO now offers a new natural language search feature. Instead of typing keywords, you can type the whole questions like you are asking a librarian. For example, how does artificial intelligence transform higher education? EBSCO will interpret your question and shows the most relevant results. This makes searching easier if you are unsure which keywords or search term to use. And that's it for our introductions to EBSCO eBooks. For more help, contact the librarian via chat or meet us in the library. Thank you for watching and happy reading.